Why do some birds blend in so well with their surroundings? Many people think there may be a supernatural or a divine designer behind this. However, scientists explain it using evolution and survival of the fittest theory propounded by Charles Darwin. Let's take a closer look. Evolution is the process by which living organisms change over long periods of time. These changes happen across many generations, not within a single lifetime. Every living organism produces more offspring than can survive. Resources like food and space are limited, and there are predators, diseases, and environmental challenges. Because of this, only some individuals survive long enough to reproduce. Individuals within a species are not exactly the same. They have small differences in color, size, shape, and behavior. Some of these differences help them survive better in their environment. When an individual has a useful trait, it is more likely to survive and produce offspring. That trait is then passed on to the next generation. Over many generations, helpful traits become more common. As an example, some birds blend well with their environment because of this well-developed trait. Birds whose feather colors matched their surroundings were harder for predators and their foods to notice them. These birds survived more often and had more offspring. Birds that stood out were more likely to be caught and did not pass on their traits as successfully. Hence, over a very long time, this repeated process resulted in bird species with colors and patterns that closely matched their environment. Evolution does not work with planning or intention. It is a natural process driven by variation, inheritance, and environmental pressures. Over millions of years, these small changes have produced the wide diversity of life seen on Earth today.